Happy Planner Wednesday. I'm refilming the beginning of this video because my camera cut off on me because it has so much video on it. I really need to take it off. And then later you'll see footage of me applying my stickers. But this this spread is based from the 28th of October through November the 3rd. And I cannot believe that it's almost November. And this is based on the movie Vincent Price is in. It's called Shock, and it's a very good thriller. And since this is the last week of October, I wanted to do another scary movie. It's not too scary, but it is really good. I think he filmed it in 1946. And it's about a lady who goes to see her husband. He's been missing in action, and then she thought he was dead for a year. Then she finds out he's not, and she goes to this hotel to meet him, and he's a little late. So she's worried, and she goes out on her balcony. I'm not going to tell you too much, though. I don't want to ruin it. And she sees Vincent Price kill his wife by hitting her over the head with a candlestick. And she goes into shock. Then when her husband shows up, they call for a psychiatrist. And the psychiatrist is Vincent Price, okay? So it's really good about what all he tries to do to her. So this is the paper that I chose because it reminded me of like a hospital, because Vincent Price owns like a sanitarium. And it reminds me of how it should be really clean and things like that way back then. And then I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree washi. I love Dollar Tree washi. And then just a black Paper Mate marker. Okay, so future Tanya is going to send you back to real-time Tanya and let you enjoy the rest of the video. I made my stickers, and this is how the DVD looks. Now, the movie is in black and white, but this is in color, and I'm going to put it right here. Okay, and then here is Vincent Price, and he's right across. She's out on the balcony, the lady that's waiting on her husband that goes into shock, and she can look in and see him arguing with his wife because he wants a divorce to marry his nurse. And when she sees him hit her in the head, she goes into shock. Okay, and here's Vincent Price when he gets her in his sanitarium. He starts talking to her and trying to ask her what she remembers. He gives her an injection because he's wanting to see what she remembers, to see if she really did see him kill his wife. And he finds out she did. So then here's her husband, and he's back from the military, and he wants to call in this specialist. So he calls in another psychiatrist for a consultation. And I'm going to put this one right here because he says his wife is getting worse, okay? And then here is the nurse that Vincent Price is having an affair with, and she's pushing him to drive this lady really insane. And he's decided that he will do it. And then he's decided that he's going to have to start giving her insulin shock treatments. And on the last injection, he's going to give her an overdose. So that's what he's getting ready to do right there. And then here, he hasn't overdosed her yet. He has another person in there to witness it. And then there's the nurse. And then the other person leaves him. And the nurse in there. And I got a little ahead of myself. But this is when they decide that they want, this is a detective, and he comes to Vincent's home because they want to exhume his wife's body because they think maybe she was murdered. And I'm going to put that right there. And that's why Vincent wants to go ahead and kill the girl. That just driving her insane is not enough. Now let me write a few things down I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at it. But I think this turned out so good, but my planner is so full. It's not wanting to go back in. I could take some pages out, but I want to do a flip through. Okay, this is how the spread turned out. Like I said, it is a wonderful thriller movie. I know you would love it. It's scary, but not too scary. And I love my paper. I think it gives a good feel for the movie and the washi. And I love these stickers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.